My dear children, today is 14th of November, and you know the importance of the day. You know today is the Children's Day, and along with the Children's Day we are also celebrating the Diwali. Both these festivities are very, very important for us. Being the 14th of November, we know it's the birthday of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And it is in his honor that we are also celebrating the Children's Day today. I would like to share with you a little message as we celebrate the Children's Day. And this message I would like to divide into 7 various clips so that you will be able to remember all this. Okay? So I am sure you will listen to me carefully with fine attention. The first point is love yourself. Love yourself. You know, we need to love ourselves in order to make ourselves worthy for others. So, if we do not love ourselves, we will not be able to have real self-confidence within ourselves. So, the first point that I would like to share with you is that we must all love ourselves in order to believe in ourselves, in order to be self-confident. Second point is that we need to be kind. Be kind, especially in the words that we utter. We know we utter a lot of words which can destroy others, but we need to speak in terms of building others. So be kind when we talk. Third point I would like to share with you is that we are all humans, we make mistakes. So don't be afraid of making mistakes, but we can always, from our mistakes, grow into better persons. So do not be afraid of making mistakes, but learn from mistakes. The fourth point is about health. Don't take your health for granted. This would mean that we need to make good food choices. When we choose food, we must eat good food. So avoid all junk food so that we will be able to be healthy always. Fifth point is always see good in others. You must see good in others. If your eyes are positive, you will love the world. But if your tongue is positive, then the world will love you. Meaning to say, always see good in others. So do not give any chance to negativity. The second last point is to work hard. Without hard work, none of us can succeed. So if we want to succeed in life, we all need to work very, very hard. Children, the 7th point is that we, the fathers here, the teachers here, the non-teaching staff, the parents and well-wishers, all of us are always there for you. Remember that we are always there for you as mentors, guides and friends, no matter what happens. So have courage. Okay? Children, today is also the Diwali day, we know. And may the light of Diwali and the Children's Day that we celebrate today be one of joy and ever shine on us, each one of us. And may the little flowers that you are now bloom and grow into a large tree, making our nation great and prosperous. Keep on smiling and God bless you all.